Good morning, class. It's time for math. Okay, today we are going to be working on lesson 33 and lesson 34. So if you want to get those papers out, they should be your next ones in your packet. And I'm going to share my screen so you can see what we're working on. There we go. Again, lesson 33. And I want you guys to still get in the practice of writing your name up here, okay? That's really important for you to keep writing your name. You need to practice your first name and your last name sometimes. You don't have to do your last name every time, but try to do it at least once a day on one of your papers, okay? So today we are going to be working on decomposing, taking the numbers apart. This is also called subtraction. Very good. Okay. So what we have to do is fill in the number sentence to match the story. There were 7 trains. 2 trains rolled away. Now there are 5 trains. Well, first of all, I like to underline or circle our important information. Okay. Let's count to make sure there are 7 trains to begin with. So count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 trains. Now in subtraction, that is our whole number, okay? How many we start with is the whole number. So that will be our first number we write, okay? Now they said 2 trains rolled away. So we're gonna put X's on the 2 trains that rolled away. That is our next number, okay? So we had 7. We're going to subtract or take away 2, okay? And then let's see how many we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Says now there are 5 trains. Okay. All right, let's look at one more here. There were 9 cars at the stop sign. 7 drove away. There are 2 cars left. Let's count them to make sure there's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9. That's our whole number. So we're going to put our whole number right here, 9. It says 7 drove away. So let's mark off 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's the number we put here. There were 9, 7 drove away. Now there are 2 cars left. Okay. I'm going to have you finish the bottom one by yourself with some help at home. All right, let's look at, you turn your page over, let's look at page 34. Now we're going to do subtraction, but we're going to do it with number bonds and the number sentence, okay? But it's the same thing. Fill in the number sentences and number bonds. And again, don't forget your name up here. There are 9 babies playing. 2 crawl away. Ooh, how many babies are left? They're not giving us the answer this time. We have to figure that out, okay? I always like to start by knowing that we have 9 babies. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you should be counting with me, okay? So there's 9 babies altogether. That's our whole number. That's why they have it right here. 2 crawled away, so I like to X those out so we can see, okay? It's good to have that visual so you can actually see. 2 crawled away. How many are left? How can we figure that out? What do you think? Yeah, we can count the babies that are left. Let's count them. Count with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, there are 7 babies left. So that number goes here. And here's our number bond. Remember, 9 was the whole number, and then we need to put the parts. How many are left is one part. How many crawled away is another part. They already have how many crawled away, so we need to fill in how many are left, and that would be 7. Okay. This one says there are 10 babies playing. 1 crawls away. How many babies are left? Okay, count with me. Let's make sure we have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we had 10 babies. Okay, One crawls away. There's that one crawling away, so that will go right there. How many are left? Okay, some of you might know if I have 10 up and I take one down, how many do I have left? Yeah, 9. But if you don't know, we can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. Okay, so that leaves one for you to do on your own, and you have to do the number bond. And remember, I want to see you marking them off, okay? I want to see you using those strategies that we use in the classroom, all right? Also, while I have you here, let me get back on here. Okay, I want to make sure you guys are practicing counting by 1s to 100. Watch some of those Jack Hartman films, okay? Count by 5s to 100, okay? With me right now, we're going to count by 10s to 100, and we're going to show our 10s as we do it, okay? You guys ready? Okay, here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, we had 10 sets of 10. Okay, and then when you count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Yay! I'm not going to count by 1s with you. I'm going to let you do that on your own, okay? Find some Jack Hartman videos, watch them, show your parents, your family how smart you are. Okay, guys, I will post this on Facebook and Seesaw. I'll talk to you later. Bye.